subscribe. We are growing every single day in a major way. Shout out to everybody. Shout out to everybody that's been supportive through the whole journey. Thank you guys for the subscribes, man. We are growing every single day, like I always say. Right now, we got the new merch right now on the head. Immortal Society snapbacks. Fit all size heads, right? You got a tiny ass head to a big ass head. This hat can fit. So make sure you guys hit up Immortal Society on Instagram, man. We are selling. Actually, it's gonna pop up on the video. You can just follow the Instagram. We're selling merchandise as we speak. And yeah, so basically I wanted to talk to you guys about what's going on with the California law. And this probably might be the last video I'll talk about it, or I might keep addressing it if more things just bother me. The whole thing is nobody's safe. Nobody is safe with the California law. Now, people are asking me, will I be safe if my car is loud but it's naturally stuck? Unfortunately, it affects every single body, whether your shit is modded or not. Because the whole thing is, there's been documented that somebody got pulled over in the M4, I believe. He got pulled over in the M4 stock exhaust from factory, and he still got a fixed ticket of $1,000 for being too loud. So basically, a cop could just pull you over and say your shit is loud, and you have to have some type of proof, and you have to prove to them, because you got to think about it. Well, talking about M's, there goes an M right there. I think that's an M. Let me see what it is. That's an M2? Yes, an M2. Talking about an M3, and M2 just popped out of nowhere. I had to show you guys that. That's so awesome. Woo! Sick. That's one thing about California. You're always going to see some nice high-end cars. But let me show you guys that a little bit more with a Tesla in front of me, but we don't care about the Tesla. All right, so back to what I was saying. There's a few people that I heard been pulled over and got a $1,000 ticket for having a stock exhaust. So it's really bad, y'all. It's really bad. And the whole thing is, like I said in my first video, when I explained about how it's gonna affect everybody else that's not in the car community, you know what I'm saying, that's not in the car hobby. It's going to affect everybody. It's not just us. You know, the government really can't stand us car enthusiasts, so they aim a little too hard, and now it's going to backfire and start hitting everybody they like that doesn't have the car enthusiast type of, you know, interest. I think it's fucked up. Like I said many times before, I feel like it's really fucked up. I feel like it's just bad. It's so bad to the point people are not feeling comfortable to driving their own cars. People are scared to drive. Like me, I'm literally driving very slow than normal. Like I just don't want to take a chance. And I know everybody, oh, you can just go back to stock. Fuck all that. I work too hard to do that. I mean, I need to enjoy my life. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing that shouldn't be. That's like me, like I said many times. That's like me sneezing and I get a ticket for sneezing. Like, come on, man. It's just crazy. But to a lot of those that's asking me, will I be fine stock? No, you're not fine. Nobody is stock. I mean, whether you stock or modified, if your car is a little too loud and it goes over the decimals or whatever the fuck it is, you're going to be screwed. So, and it's already been proven that people are not proven, but it's been rumored around. There's certain people that's been getting tickets of $1,000 with stock exhaust. So nobody is safe, and unfortunately, it's sad. That's why I encourage everybody, even that's not in California, to make sure you guys do the petition, because our voice, that's all we have, man. We can talk about complaining, we can complain and point fingers at people. At this point, we just gotta all to come together and vote. Whether you stay in California or you don't, because like I said before, if you don't vote, it's going to eventually spread throughout the nation, because California always sets stupid laws, and then a lot of times other states kind of like what they do because they do need more money as well. It's a money thing. It's not, yes it is about attacking us car enthusiasts because of the LA takeovers, but at the end of the day, it's all about money. Because why would they charge it this much? You know what I'm saying? And they making it to where it's not fixable. You just have to get the ticket. It's not like you can go correct it and then go back to the courts and get it signed off. That's $1,000. It's just it's fucked up. It's really a fucked up situation. I'm just really annoyed by it. I hope that it gets better. But like I said, all we got right now is our power to vote and do this petition. Encourage everybody to do it. The more and more people we have, the more powerful they see that it's needs to be a change. And on top of that, it is stupid because basically it's not a new law. I heard it's not a new law, but what they did was they just amped it up a little bit more. They put the fucking old law and steroid that bitch, and now it's like even stupider. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's not fixable, it's not correctable. It's a solid $1,000, and they can give it to you multiple times, and it's just fucked up. A lot of people cannot afford that $1,000 with the cost of living as it is in California. It's impossible. Why are they charging us $1,000 for a loud exhaust that doesn't hurt nobody, that's not affecting anybody? I can see if they give you a $1,000 fine for doing burnouts on the street, because I mean that's doing damage to the community and all that. That's different. But I mean, like, come on, a loud noise. I mean, then you want motorcycle people to take their noise off their motorcycles. When I'm driving on the highway, I don't see motorcycles at all. I don't see them. I mean, no matter how great your vision is, you don't see them until they get close and be loud. So it's stupid. It's just beyond dumb. And everybody's, I just don't know, man. It's really stupid. But like I said, we can point the fingers, we can talk about this and that, who did this and what did that, but at this point, we just got to do this petition and get our voices heard. We need to reach out to the governor and fucking email them and shit. And let's just figure out what the fuck can we do, because it's just really bad right now, man. It's really bad. Yeah, it's tough, man. It's tough, and it sucks that everybody got to be categorized under this LA takeover bullshit. You know what I'm saying? It's just fucked up that we got to be judged. That's the whole thing with this situation. It's just so fucked up that just because I my car, you associate me with the LA takeovers. Like, it's just fucked up. And if you really want to do something about the LA takeovers, you get them tickets, you arrest them. You go to the site and get them. It shouldn't be me. I don't want to participate in that bullshit. You know what I'm saying? I feel like LA takeovers is stupid. Like, that's just my personal opinion. It's just dumb as fuck. It's stupid. It is dumb. Like, okay, I can see you did it one time, but then it's a constant thing I'm always seeing. It's just ignorant, it's stupid, and it's just dumb, man. And now we gotta be affected by the dumb shit. So it's whatever, man. I just, at this point, I'm like, I don't know what to say, y'all. I don't know what to say, but like I said, even if you have a stock exhaust, if it's loud, and if a cop feel like it's loud, you can get in trouble. But that's why I said you gotta know your laws, you guys, and you have to be quick. You can't wait till after the cop leave to try to fix it. You have to be able to prove everything. Even when a cop leaves you, you should go under your car, take pictures of it, make a video. No, matter of fact, make a video right when the cop pulls off. As soon as you receive the ticket, record a video under your car and show your stock exhaust, because you have to cover yourself. Show them the time, show them the ticket when you got it. You want to be, that's your proof. That's like your way. You know what I'm saying? Document every fucking thing. If you happen to get a ticket and your shit is stocked, record it, man. Record it and let that be your proof of anything. You know what I'm saying? Because you want to have everything documented and have that to prove to the judge, or if you got to fight this ticket and get a lawyer, prove it. Prove everything. Proof is the main thing. But it's real unfortunate, y'all. We living in this fucked up thing. I thought 2019 was about to be the greatest year so far. It's just like, fuck. It's like really scary, man. It's really scary scary out here. A lot of us is scared to drive our own cars that we love so much, that we work hard for, we invest in. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's keeping us off the street. It's keeping people from committing crimes. Like, it's fucked up that we have a hobby of just driving a car, and it's just like we get vandalized with this shit. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy. I am not driving no fucking electric car. That's not in my. I'm not driving no electric car. I'm not gonna drive no electric car. This is crazy though, man. This is crazy. But like I said before, I'm not changing shit. I'm gonna continue driving the way I drive. I'm gonna continue to have my exhaust. I mean, shit. I'm not changing it. And I'm like, why people changing their exhaust? Because what about the petition? That's by the grace of God, they dropped the damn thing, and everybody sold all their parts. That I would just like, if people gonna put stock back on, I would put stock, but keep your shit, keep all your exhaust. Don't anything that you pay for, keep that shit just in case. If this shit goes away, you guys can put your shit back on. But yeah, it's tough, man. I'm just really disappointed. I just hope shit change. We need, like I said, we still need more bigger YouTube outlets, YouTubers to talk about this much more. Shout out to TJ Hunt. Thank you for that. Like, as a car enthusiast and as car culture, man, I truly appreciate that, because he has a big ass audience and he can reach so much more people, and more than me. So, because I mean, I'm really passionate about this community, man, and it's something I truly love. I love cars. I love being happy driving in my own car, and nobody can take that away from me. You know what I'm saying? That's one thing nobody should be able to take away from me, and for you guys either. You know, so even if you guys got the petition, feel free to keep putting them in my comments. I know you guys been loading petition links on my comments. Go ahead, spam it up, spam more petitions, so that way people can just click it and get straight to the petition. And I found another way you guys can do: make multiple emails. You can make multiple emails and change the name and just fucking submit a petition. That way you can have more than one vote. So we need to do as much as we can. We got to make this change. We're already at like 200,000 petition votes. So we just got to keep it up, man. That's all we have, man, is our voice and our powers. This is the only way we can make a change. And let's do it. Let's do it, y'all. So I hope everybody's having a blessed day. Hope everybody enjoy your drive, man. Don't be too scared. It sucks. It really sucks, y'all. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching the channel. And if you're new to the channel, again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're growing every single day. Hope you guys have a blessed one.